Hello everyone, this is Team Bits and Bolts. The problem we are tackling with our project is that whenever a student want to learn or study about anything, they have to switch a lot of tabs, whether it's from YouTube to website or questions to images and so and so. As a student myself, I find it really distracting. So here's our solution. We made a platform that integrates all of this into a single place. So you just have to type in the topic's name and it will generate a learning capsule that has everything required. So let's suppose I want to learn about the Hall effect. So I will just write the topic's name in the search bar and it will generate the content. It does take several seconds to generate it. So here it has generated. First of all, in the right side, we have the top YouTube videos most relevant to the given topic. We are using YouTube Data v3 API to fetch these videos. Also, these are filtered on the basis of view count and likes, so the top videos are only provided to you. The main reading content is in Hinglish, which is much easier for students to understand. For the content, we are using Gemini 2.5 Flash model to generate, with the prompt that uses layman terms and Feynman technique that break the information into tiny, easily digestible chunks. Also, the images here are highly relevant to the topic. And we aren't using Gemini to get these, since even the pro models mostly provide irrelevant images. Instead, we are using a website called Wikimedia Commons, and we are searching images there based on tags that are related to the given topic. Also, at the end of the lesson, we are also providing interactive MCQs for quick self-assessment. And just below it, we have descriptive questions for in-depth understanding. So this was a short demo. For more information on the project, please visit the GitHub link. Thank you.